All right, let's get her open. Already feels like a really soft leather. I like that a lot. Let's get it out of this box here. Take it out slowly because it's still attached by this little cord right here. And that just loops down through there, so all you have to do is just remove it. We got some really nice stitching all the way around it and the Timberland stamped logo on it right there. And when we open it up, we have a little insert that we can pull out. Another insert here. This is a bifold wallet. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 slots on the right here. Another one back behind that. And if you see this nice soft material that's on the inside of the billfold here, it's also on the inside of this little pouch down here. We've got one space for a card on the left here, and that flips open. We can see we have room for an ID to go right here with that same cloth soft material back here. Although when I say soft, it's also a bit textured and it feels quite durable as well. We have another slot with an insert right here that could fit another picture or an ID, as well as another hidden compartment behind that one. And it's got a Timberland brand tag, and it also has a little slot down here, so it has a little bit of space to fold without destroying the wallet over time. So let's see if we can transfer all of my stuff into it and see if this wallet actually works well for me. So we're gonna remove all my credit cards from this one, laundry cards, Sam's Clubs, and a bunch of cash and receipts. Obviously I needed a new wallet. Let's get that stuff in there. Cash and receipt fits in there really nicely. I like how snug it is. Folds up super simply, can barely even tell that the cash is in there. I'm gonna put a gas card and the Sam's Club membership right on top here, and they slide in easily enough. And their clearance pretty much just matches the top of the billfold right here. You can see that. Put a couple more cards down below that one. A few more credit cards below that one right there. And a credit card into this one up here. And you can see when you put a card into this one, it completely disappears. And it all closes up pretty nicely. It still has a pretty low profile to it, so I appreciate that. But you might have noticed that it was a little bit difficult to slide the cards in and out of here at first. I'm sure that will loosen up over time. It already has just after using it 2 or 3 times already. It's already much easier to slide the cards in and out. When it's folded up, this wallet is about 3.5 inches by a little over 4 inches. And once I have all my cards and stuff in it, it's about 1 inch wide. And when it's opened up, it's about 8.5 inches. Overall, really happy with the wallet. Feels great, looks great, very stylish, really easily slides in and out of the pocket. One downside might be that at 3.5 inches, it's definitely bigger than some other wallets. So if you have really small pockets, maybe this isn't the wallet for you and you might want to keep shopping. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that little thumbs up button down there to let me know. I really appreciate it.